Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly go over how you can add or change the payment method that you use when charging your Tesla at a supercharger. So what we want to do is launch our Tesla application. And from the homepage of the Tesla app, what we want to do is click on the little menu here in the upper right-hand corner. Over in your menu, what you want to do is find where it says charging and click on that. And then in your charging page, what you want to do is go down to where it says manage payment. This is where you can either add a payment if you need to do that initially, or you can change whatever payment method that you have on file. So what we're going to do is click manage payment. And from here, you have the option where you could change your billing address if you wanted to do that. But in the payment method, we can open up this little drop-down menu. And this is going to allow you to choose between the different payment methods that you have on file, or you can add an additional card if you'd like to do that. And then to add a card, you can enter in the details of that card in here and then save it. Whichever payment method that you select and shows up in your manage payment area is going to be the one that it defaults to whenever somebody charges your Tesla vehicle at a supercharger. And from your charging page in the menu, it also is going to have the history of when you've used superchargers if you'd like to take a look at that. And that's going to wrap this one up. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going over how you can add or change the payment method that you use for supercharging your Tesla vehicle through the Tesla app. I appreciate you guys stopping by and consider subscribing for more content in the future. Thank you to Joa for supporting this video. Please consider supporting my channel by clicking the Joa link down in the description to shop their premium Tesla products and accessories. Using my Joa link will apply my exclusive discount code thanks to any items that you may be interested in. Thank you.